Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide sections, columns, or widgets by device type with Elementor. This is incredibly useful when you want to create a streamlined experience for mobile users or show different content, depending on whether someone's browsing on desktop, tablet, or phone. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages, then click on All Pages in the left sidebar. This will bring up a list of all the pages on your website. Look for the specific page you want to edit and click Edit with Elementor to open it in the Elementor editor. This is where you'll have full control over your page layout and visibility settings. Inside the Elementor editor, you'll see your page displayed in the main workspace. Now click to select the section, column, or widget that you want to hide on certain devices. This could be anything from a large banner section to a small button widget. Whatever element you select, Elementor will highlight it with a blue border indicating that it's active and ready to be edited. Once you've selected your element, shift your attention to the Elementor panel on the left side of your screen. Here you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Advanced tab. This tab contains more technical settings that give you deeper control over how your elements behave and display across different devices. After opening the Advanced tab, scroll down through the options until you find the responsive dropdown. Click on it to expand the responsive settings. This section is specifically designed to help you control visibility based on screen size, which is exactly what we need for this task. Under the responsive settings, you'll find the visibility options. Here you'll see checkboxes labeled Hide on Desktop, Hide on Tablet Portrait, and Hide on Mobile Portrait. Simply check the boxes that correspond to the devices where you want this element to be hidden. For example, if you want to hide a large hero section on mobile to improve loading speed and user experience, you would check Hide on Mobile Portrait. You can select multiple options if you want the element hidden on more than one device type. And that's it. You've successfully set up device-specific visibility for your Elementor elements. This feature gives you incredible flexibility in designing responsive websites that look perfect on every screen size. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.